Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the HK10 Ultra smartwatch. The HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch is loaded with features, including health, sports, and other applications, and of course, other smart features. On this video, we are going to try and have a demo of one of its smart feature, and that is the short video control function. So we do have here the short video control function. Okay, let me show you the feature here. With the short video control function, you can control the short video on your phone. So we have this one. So it works with, I think it will work with TikTok or YouTube Short. Okay, so we will test this. We'll try this one and see if it works with these two applications. So if you are interested to see if the short video control function of the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch works, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the short video control function. We are already paired with the application. We have the Wear Fit app. So Wear Fit Pro app. Okay. And it's already, we are connected. Let's wait for the app or for the ad. Again, so I hate this advert on the application. Anyway, we don't have a choice on that. So we have here the application, and seems like there's no option for the short video control function. Okay, we have here local music, voice memo, but we don't have an option for the short video control function. As long as you are paired with the app and of course your smartphone, I think it's okay. So let's go first with the TikTok video control. So we do have some video here. Let's go to the short video control. Okay, we have here the remote control. We are going to mute this to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, remote control. As you can see here, we have the volume. It works. Decrease the volume. Thumbs up. Can we remove it? Yes. Then go forward. Next. Next. Volume. Stop. Next. Stop. Adjust the volume. Next. Okay. So far it works, as you can see here. Thumbs up. Stop. Go back. Stop. Go forward. Adjust the volume again. Decrease the volume. As you can see here, it works flawlessly with our TikTok application, the short video control function. Stop. Okay, so everything works here. You can go forward, go backward, play and pause, adjust the volume, and as well as thumbs up or like the video. Let's see with the YouTube Shorts. Okay, let's adjust the volume here. Let's see if it works with the YouTube app. So we have here the shorts. Let's check. Go forward. Does it work? Yes. Go backward. Go forward. Next. Play. Adjust the volume. Stop. Next. Play. Does it work? It's a bit slow, but it works, I think. Play. Let's wait. Okay. I guess this is due to the internet connection, I think. Okay. But so far, I think it works. Yes. So it's a bit slow due to our internet connection. But so far, I think the short video control function works with our YouTube short. Next. Stop. Adjust the volume. Thumbs up. Okay. Go back. Go back. Go back. Play. Okay. So I guess this one works, but you need a very good internet connection. Okay, so there's no delay. But so far, the play forward, go backward, play and pause, volume adjustment, as well as the thumbs up, as you can see here, works with our YouTube short. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And so far, as you can see, the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, although we do have some issues with the connectivity with the YouTube shorts, it works flawlessly with the TikTok app, and it works okay with the YouTube short video. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.